This is a field test of the Krieger choke bot. So here we go. Close and open. Go up. Oh yeah. Base. Not too bad. Seem to have full range of motion. Okay, so I seem to have full range of motion. We're going to try a little test here. See if I can pick up this pepper shaker. Uh-oh. I think the pepper shaker might be too big. Yep, it's too big. All right, hold on. Okay, so this is field test number 3 of my Krieger choke bot. Picking stuff up is kind of difficult, but once you get it, you have a pretty nice range of motion. And there's my robot.